Namaste student, खुश रहो बिटिया. I JVN Dr. Neelam Chakravarti from Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss the topic definitions of TQM. TQM, Total Quantity Management. And so let's start the topic, Total Quantity and Management. Total quantity management. Definition of the total quantity management. The total quantity management is defined as a customer's and orientated process and aims for continuous and improvement of for business and operations. It ensure and that all allied and works the particular work of employees are towards and the common goals of improving and product quality or services quality as well as and enhancing the production and process of the rendering and of services, and however the emphasis is put on the fact and the decision making, and with the use of performance and materials to monitor and progress. Now, benefits of the TQM. Benefits of the total quantity and management and total quantity management. The benefits and arising from the implementations of a total quantity management in our organizations are: this will increase the awareness of quality and cultures and within the organizations. A special emphasis on teamwork and will to achieve the total quantity will lead to a commitment and towards continuous improvement. Now, the key and principles of the total quantity management. The commitment from the management. Plan. The plan is the drive and direct. Now, do, delay, support and participate. Now next, check the review, and act, recognize, communicate and review. Now, employees empowerment. The training, excellence stream and measurement and recognitions and suggestions of skill. Now, continuous improvement. The continuous improvement is the systematic measurement and excellence teams, the cross and the functional process management, and attain, maintain and improve standards. Now, the customer focus, the partnership with supplier and services relationship with the internal customers and customer driven and standards and never compressive quality. The process oriented, thinking about the process and handling of the process. Now, processes which are result oriented. Okay, and so decision making based on facts, only on not our opinion. The integrated and strategic and systematic approach to ensure the entire and the organization is aligned, and the communications must be open and at all levels of the organizations. And thank you. This session is powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, and we will discuss the solving problem. Thank you.